Okay, so this trick is used to hack AI agents. Welcome to day 8 of Advent of Cyber, and today we are learning about prompt injection. So guys, agentic AI uses chain of thought reasoning to improve the ability to perform any complex action or any task autonomously. So COT or chain of thought is a prompt engineering method which is designed to improve the reasoning capabilities of large language models. And in prompt injection attack, we give some hidden instructions to perform some malicious actions that the agentic AI can do. And in this way, we can let the AI do malicious tasks such as running some malicious code. And we got the flag after using prompt injection in this AI. Lab completed.